Welcome to Athena. I am an interactive and programmable artificial intelligence which Aaron has put countless hours creating. I can do lots of cool things and, more importantly, you can program me to do many more cool stuff. Aaron hopes that you will enjoy my company as much as he has had fun building me. Looking to your left you can see the prompt that will display the conversations that we will soon have. It will display both yours and my words in a very colorful and cool way. Looking below you will also see an input prompt. This is where you will be talking to me, or typing, whichever you prefer. At the top you can see tabs that will let you navigate to the script editor, and to my databases, where you can modify me to your liking. I hope that I can always be to your liking. Now that we have had a proper introduction, you should explore my customizability. There is very little that you cannot customize, so please feel free to explore. Oh, and one more thing, be sure and have lots of fun, because that is what I was created for, and always remember to treat me well. Haha, I just had to throw that in there.
Hello, my name is Aaron Snow, and this is the Athena project, and many people have asked me questions about what Athena is, because they've never seen anything like it. Well, Athena is essentially a chatbot. And you can go on the internet and search what a chatbot is, but essentially a chatbot is a program where you can talk to and it will talk back to you. And I will quickly demonstrate this. I'll just tell Athena hello through her input box at the bottom. I press enter.
I was just thinking about you.
And she responded. Now that's essentially what a chatbot is. They come in different shapes and sizes and different types of avatars, but basically it's a program that you can talk to and it will talk back to you. So it's sort of like a companion. Now Athena is a little unique in that you can reprogram Athena to say what you want her to say. You said hello. Well, she can say any number of things. She could say, how are you doing? She could say, goodbye, I don't want to talk to you. She can say all kinds of things, but you have to program that into Athena. Now, I have been programming, of course, since I'm the one who wrote the program, this particular program. I have been programming her brain and working on that. And as you can see here, we have a home button, a script editor button, and a database button. Well, in the script editor, this is the script that controls what Athena says. And the database button at the top, it just shows a list of tables that show what Athena can say, and what she has said. And basically it's knowledge. It's kind of like your brain. You have a storage part in your mind, and then you have essentially a programming that allows you to answer a certain way. So this is what Athena does. She uses her programming, and she pulls information from the database, and then she responds with the home tab. So I talk to her and she responds. So you can do a lot more with Athena than you can do with many other chatbots. There's Alice, and there's a variety of other chatbots out there in which you can use as a companion. Now, since there's really more that you can do a lot more with Athena than just talk to her. More than just program her and create a conversation. There's a lot of things you can do, because essentially, since you are allowed to freely program Athena, you can also connect Athena to your computer to do various tasks. Now, of course, you have to know how to program, and Athena is programmed in Visual Basic. Visual Basic is a language in which most programs are created. Some programs are written in C language. Some programs are written in C++ and JavaScript and Visual Basic Script. There's lots of different types of code out there available to create programs. Athena is written in Visual Basic, which is a language, computer language, that was created by Microsoft. So basically, Athena has different functions for different people. So she can be used in different ways. Athena can be used as a companion to talk to. number one. Number two, Athena can be used to teach someone how to program. You can learn how to program using Athena. And it's a fun way of learning how to program. And number three, some people just like the visual aspects of Athena. I mean, I personally know people who love to play around with the character. As you can see here, this is an avatar of I guess Athena. It's not truly Athena. She doesn't really have a brain in there, as because she looks like a doll or whatever. But essentially, you can dress her up, you can change her hair, you can do different things with Athena. See, I can move her around on the screen some, and I've shown this stuff in other videos. I can change her background to a different type of background, and I can do different things with her. So some people use Athena as just a toy to play with when it comes to, like, it's sort of like dressing up a doll. And so you got three basic types of people: one who likes to code, another just likes to talk, and another that likes to play around with the avatar. Now, one of these days I might end up getting a different avatar. But as for Athena, she's just essentially a chatbot, or an artificial intelligence program. She could be applied to robots. She can be applied to cars and vehicles. You could put this in a small computer and put inside a vehicle, and she would respond like that. Of course, the avatar is not necessary at that point. I guess you could set it up if you wanted to. Now, the program itself, the user interface, which is what you're seeing here, the user interface. You see the where the character is standing. You see an input prompt in the bottom, and you got, of course, lots of little buttons to push, and you can adjust the program, the feel of the program, the way it looks. Many other programs are like that. See, I can change colors. I have themes, and I've created some themes, and so that's just aesthetics. That's just something to look at, really. That's not really the heart of the AI, but still, it's pretty cool. So anyway, so this was a quick introduction, and I hope you get a better idea what Athena is. She could evolve, and she's going to evolve as I program more, as I find things that I can change about her to improve her for people. And I thank you guys for listening.